Hi guys, we are heading now to the new Sydney Fish Market. So this is the old fish market. Tapos ito yung bagong fish market. Ganda oh, tingnan nyo yung design niya. But anyway, tingnan natin kung anong meron sa Sydney Fish Market. Bali pagpasok nyo dito sa Sydney Fish Market, marami kayong makikita mga stalls. Para siyang dampa sa Manila. Pwede kang mamili ng mga pwede mong ipaluto o kaya naman kumain ng mga luto ng seafoods. So what we got here, sashimi bento and oyster calamari. So ito muna yung tatry namin. This one is actually given to us for free by Leah's friend. Thanks to Wenny, shout out to you if you're watching. Up, fresh na fresh.
This the salmon, tuna, kingfish. This the squid, scallop.
So ang dami tao ngayon dito sa Sydney Fish Market. Puno yung mga kuwan, papakita ko sa inyo later. So now we're gonna taste the oyster. I really like the calamari. I don't know why. It's really soft.
I like.
This is round 2 lobster platter. So ito ay shrimp and lobster. Oh, sweet no. Kita niyo ba yun? Lobster. I think this one enough. Pistachio with banana and mango with chocolate. Okay, let's taste it. So good ah. I think Sydney Fish Market, really good. Yun lang, tapos na ang ating vlog dito sa Fish Market. And anyway, sarap ng mga food. Try nyo kung nandito kayo sa Sydney. Punta kayo dito sa Sydney Fish Market. Search nyo na lang sa Google Maps or Waze. Malalaman nyo kung saan to. So anyway, see you on the next video. Let's try another food trip here in Sydney. Bye-bye.